Hello viewers, in this video today, we're going to talk about top 5 best first aid kit available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. No matter how many safety measures you take, accidents are inevitable. So, what kind of first aid kit should you have? Well, to answer this and many other questions, we have reviewed 10 best first aid kit consumer reports, which will help you decide as to which first aid kit you need to buy. So, let's start from number 5, and stay tuned till we reveal our top 1. Number 5. TRSCIND First Aid Kit Earthquake Survival Kit for Emergencies. In case you or someone else is severely injured and there isn't any help nearby, then this first aid kit is excellent for you. Complete first aid kit with bright red bag and striking red cross symbol, you can quickly find everything you need in case of any emergency. Also great for a gift. This compact first aid kit weighs only 1 pound and features a compact, travel-friendly design. Number 4. LSIKAZ CPR Face Shield Mask Keychain Curing Emergency Kit. The CPR masks are made of premium quality polyethylene fiber and nylon pouch. A compact CPR face shield, you will get it with a nylon keychain with a ring, which makes it easier for you to carry it around. This is a multifunction tool, which comprises of an emergency face shields along with keychain kit. Number 3. Lightning X Stocked EMS, EMT Trauma and Bleeding First Aid. While it has all the features of a regular first aid kit, you can pick any color of your choice. You can also attach tools and other essentials on the bag, courtesy of mall loops given on the exterior. With the inclusion of a chest strap and adjustable shoulder straps, you can easily distribute the weight of the bag. Number 2. EVERLIT Earthquake Emergency Kits. Get this emergency kit if you are looking for something efficient and reliable for 2 people. This emergency kit can provide you with 3 days of support. This is a highly durable kit, which is designed using 600 denier polyester. The bag also contains a phone charger, emergency shelter, and 3-in-1 hand crank flashlight. Number 1. M2 Basics 300-piece, 40 unique items, first aid kit. Check out this first aid kit, which consists of 300 items including 40 unique products that you won't find in many first aid kits. In the package, you will find different sized bandages, cleansing wipes, gauze sponges, gauze rolls and finger splints. This first aid kit lets you treat minor to critical injuries without breaking a sweat.